The warning service alarm accompanied by the alarm warning light in a Dodge Hornet may mean that the system has lost communication with the key or there was a theft attempt registered. In most cases, this is just a glitch and you will need to reset the system to get rid of this message. There are basically two ways to do this. You may use your metal key that sits inside the fob to manually open the driver's door when the car is locked and the alarm is on. This will deactivate the alarm and may also reset the service alarm warning. But if this doesn't work, you will need to open or install and then open the Dodge mobile app, locate the active warnings and delete the theft attempt warning that must be active. This will reset the message and warning light on your dash. Also, the problem was very common in the 2023 model year, which was the first year for the Hornet, so there were several software updates that targeted specifically the alarm system. You may ask your dealership if there is an update for your car, and they may install it for free. If nothing helps you, there is another way to reset the alarm in the Hornet. You need to disconnect the 12-volt battery for 7 or 10 minutes and then connect it back. But this is a computer on wheels, so you need to know a couple of things before you do this. First of all, after you connect the battery terminals, don't start the vehicle right away. Press the engine start button without pressing the brake pedal. This will turn on the ignition and let the vehicle calibrate several important modules. After that, start the car and observe a bright Christmas tree of warning lights on the dashboard. That's because you need to calibrate the steering wheel. So with the car started, make sure the steering wheel is in the straight position, in the center position, then turn it all the way to the right and hold it there for 5 seconds. Now turn it all the way left and hold here for 5 seconds. Now turn it back to the center and turn off the car. After just several seconds, you may start the engine and see if all the lights have disappeared. If this doesn't solve the service alarm warning problem, you will need to have the vehicle scanned properly with good diagnostic equipment. Most likely there is a problem with the modules or software that can't be corrected by a simple reset.